Hello everybody and happy second anniversary to this YouTube channel. I have this nail art design for you guys today and I'll be showing you how to paint it. Start by applying base coat. As usual, I'm using my favorite unpeel off base coat. Next, paint your thumbnail teal and the rest of your nails a light beige. And now we're moving into the painting process. So first I'm going to lay down the base for our 7 men. I'm just using their skin tone shade so that I don't have to go in and add their face and their arms later. I can just color in their clothing, and this just allows me to play around with their body shape and everything, and also their poses because they're quite unique for this specific frame that I chose in the video. I decided to do a simple design inspired by the B-side music video because it came out on August 24th, which is the same day that the Idol music video came out 2 years ago. And then I of course started my channel on September 1st, 2018, and I thought I would just bring it back because it just coincided so perfectly. I wanted to use the opportunity to do this, and also I just thought that the B-side music video was really light and really fun, and I just wanted that kind of energy for my anniversary as well. So I'm just going to start coloring the leftmost member in our sequence, who is Namjoon. So I'm giving black polish for his top and a burnt orange for his bottoms. And of course, because this music video and the song is very disco retro themed, you're going to see all of that in their clothing as well. And now I'm going to move on to Yoongi, and I'm just going to go from left to right and color in these members. Because there isn't much going on in this design, I just wanted to take this moment to thank you guys for stopping by if it's your first time here, or sticking around if it's not. I just really want to thank the audience of these nail art videos for always encouraging me to keep going, and just for appreciating all the effort that I put into these videos and also my other ones as well. And I still wanted to do a nail art video for my second anniversary, which is obviously very special because my channel did start out as a nail art channel, and although it has become less and less so over the past few months, I actually have become like more and more excited to return to doing nail art after taking this break. It's not, you know, a hobby that has fizzled out. It doesn't just pop up and disappear. I've been doing nail art for a very long time, and I have taken breaks. I'm still here and still doing it, and I think that's a testament to how much I enjoy doing it. And I just want to thank you guys for being on this journey with me, for seeing me improve as a nail artist, for seeing me improve as a YouTuber and everything. I feel like that's like most evident through my nail art videos, just because it is probably like the main content that has not changed in terms of like my passion and everything towards it throughout my entire time on YouTube. And I know I've said this multiple times in the past, but I'm really grateful for all the people that I've been able to meet through my channel and all the opportunities that I was able to have because of it. I'm really grateful that you guys have really opened the doors for me, and now I feel a lot less lonely fangirling over BTS, and just less lonely in general because I feel like I have a community and people that I can talk to. For the thumbnail, I wanted to do something that was representative of the second anniversary. So because this music video has a lot of them putting this peace sign or this V on their face, you know, because of the iconic retro style dance move, I did that, and it just so happens to also be a 2 So I thought it just brought everything together. It had that retro vibe to it, and it also represents my 2nd anniversary. And the last thing I did was top coat this design to seal everything in. This is it for Lacquer Lover's 2nd anniversary nail art design. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, thank you to those of you guys who have been here from the beginning of this channel, and also thank you to those of you guys who are here starting from today or anywhere else in between. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next one.